You are... Oh, you don't even look level. Hello. You are balancing on top of an eyeshadow palette right now. And you might even go bye-bye at one point in the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for a brand new video. So for today's video, I am doing a GooGoo hair extension review. So for any of you guys that don't know, GooGoo is 100% Remy human hair. I think I'm saying that right. Obviously hair extensions are all the rave at the minute. I personally can't commit to tapes or nanos just because I feel like my hair is so fine already that they just wouldn't work for me. So I did get some clipping ones. So these are the 18-inch clippings in the shade Golden Blonde Highlights. At first I was really worried, not knowing whether the shade was going to match me or not, but this is perfect. I would be lying to you if I said I haven't opened this already, and I have, and I'm not disappointed. And if I didn't mention already, these are 120 grams. I'm just going to get straight into the box and open them straight away. I actually opened these from the bottom last time because it turns out my DPD driver basically stood in the box. I'm not even joking. He dropped the box on the floor and stood in it, and I was like... Joe, when you know what's inside the parcel and you're like, why? First off, I just want to say I love how small the packaging is. One thing that I hate about hair extensions is when they come in like big, huge, bulky packaging, you've got to find places to store them. Whereas if you get these, look at how easy this is going to be to store your hair extensions. So they do also come in this plastic bag here. You've got some spare clips that come with the extensions just in case you need to re-sew any back on. You do also have, I want to say, it's not really an instruction guide, it's more about the company. And then also we've got a little clip. This is like a proper hairdresser's clip as well. Okay, about the extensions. So as I said before, these are 100% Remy human hair. They're easy to clip in, they come in multiple lengths and different shades. They're also heat safe and hold curls, and they're perfect for all hair types. I'm so happy that I picked up some real human hair extensions. Normally I've just got the synthetic ones and you can't style them, whereas these I'm going to be able to apply heat to them. I won't be applying as much as I do to my regular hair. I know it is still human hair, but I don't want my hair extensions to be ruined like the ends of my head, you know what I mean? Also the shade match is actually unbelievable. I'm going to put these in and show you exactly how I style them. I'm going to quickly show you how many wefts you actually get in the hair. So you get one 4-piece weft, you get two 3-piece wefts, 2 of the 2-piece, and then also 2 of the 1-piece. Now if you've watched me put hair extensions in before, maybe you follow me on TikTok or something, you'll know that I personally don't like to use all of the pieces that are included because my hair is already quite thin. So if I keep adding all of these tracks, you're going to be able to see them at the back. The way I like to do it to begin with is, I want to say just a little bit below the tip of my ear, I'm going to section off my hair. And it's so handy having this clip that comes with it as well, because if you're anything like me and you lose clips all the time, you're not going to have to search your entire room for one. So I'm just going to clip that out of the way and also take off this ring because that's very annoying. Just going to give my hair a quick brush through so that it doesn't get tangled up with the extensions. So I'm going to take one of the 3-piece wefts. I'm just going to unclip these, and the way that I like to do this, I'm probably going to have to turn around and show you. I really hope you can see this. I like to take the middle piece and clip that in the centre of my hair, but as I'm doing this I like to turn it, sort of wiggle it around in a circle so it backcombs that part and then just clip it in, and as you can see it's really like stuck in there. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side as well, and that for me just ensures that it doesn't like pull on my natural hair, and it also stays in place all day as well. Another thing I want to say about these extensions is they're so lightweight. I have a problem sometimes when I can feel my hair extensions and I feel like they're just going to start falling out or snagging on my hair. Genuinely cannot feel these. And also look at the blend as well. You can't see where my hair ends and where the hair extension starts. And I feel like 18 inches is good for like a natural length. If any of my girls out there want to wear hair extensions but go natural, I'd say that 18 inch is still long but still natural. I'm going to take this section down, and then a little bit above my ear now I'm going to section this off as well. You don't want to go too far down when you're sectioning, because I've noticed if I do then I end up just clipping hair extensions onto hair extensions and not my actual hair. So for this section I'm going to take the 5-piece weft, and I'm just going to do exactly the same as I did before. So I'm going to, oh no sorry, the 4-piece weft, I said this was a 5-piece. I'm going to do exactly as I did before. Now because there's not a centrepiece on this, I'm going to use these two and clip them in at the same time, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to wiggle them both around in my hair and then clip both of them in place. That just helps keep it central as well, because when I did this before I was like, why are my hair extensions not central? Do you know if you start like from the right or the left, you'll come to one side and you'll notice that there's just more on one side. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take down the rest of my hair, just see if I can feel these like clippings at the back, see if they're going to be noticeable. Okay, I think that's enough. I think if I put another track in you're going to be able to see it. So I'm going to section my hair, I want to say from the top of my eyebrow Basically the crown, I'm going to section all of that off and I'm going to go in with my 2-piece weft. So I'm going to put these at the side here. I'm going to start with the piece that would go closest towards me. So again, just as last time, I'm really going to wiggle this hair extension and then push to clip it into place, and then do the exact same with this one as well. I feel like I've not clipped that first part in enough. There we go. Same thing to the other side with the 2-piece weft as well. It's basically just all really repetitive. It just depends on where you're actually going to clip the hair extensions. I just personally find it works better for me when I don't use all of the wefts, because as I said previously, my hair is naturally really thin. If you've got thick hair, definitely use all of the wefts, and then you're probably not going to be able to see the tracks at the back. Last pieces now, I mean, you could totally leave these out if you want, because as you can see, everything just blends so seamlessly. But just for a bit more length at the front, I'm going to section my hair. I'd say where you'd section to do a fringe, if you were going to cut yourself a fringe. It's the only way I can describe it. This is the last sectioning now. So I've got 2 of the 1-piece wefts, and these are going to go directly on top of where we've just put the 2-piece ones. And as you can see with the quality of these as well, I've never felt softer hair. This is what I think my hair feels like after a hair mask, but it doesn't. I don't like to put these super close to the front, just because again my hair's thin and you'll be able to see them. This is my favourite part now, where you get to take all of your hair down and see how it all looks. I'm just going to move myself back a bit so you can see the actual length of the hair. Now as you can tell, it's not too drastic. I don't even know which piece is my own hair, to be honest. I was going to try and show you a comparison in length. How incredible does this look? It looks so natural, so healthy. They were so easy to clip in, and they don't just do clip-in hair extensions, they also do tapes as well. So if you're a hair extension girl out there that's on the look for some good quality hair extensions that your hairdresser can put in for you, definitely have a look at GooGoo Hair. I think I'm actually going to get the straighteners and I'm going to style these a little bit. So one thing I think I'm going to do is run over them really quickly, but also just turn the ends underneath a little bit as well. I'm going to show you that with these you can use up to the regular amount of heat that you would use on your normal hair, just to prove that they are full 100% like Remy hair extensions as well. And then if I'm curling them underneath at the bottom, I literally just do that very quickly. Just like really quickly turn it under as I'm straightening the top. So just basically run the straighteners over a few times, and then as you get to the end, start to slightly bend that inwards. And you get a cute little swoop. There's definitely a better term than swoop. I love this hairstyle as well because it's so quick and easy, and these hair extensions do already come straight as well, which is a lot easier for you to style afterwards instead of them coming like curly or something, and then you're going to have to straighten them perhaps. And then that is one side of the hair done. As you can see, it does add like a little bit of structure to the hair as well. So I'm going to do this side off camera and then I'll be back. So this is the hair extensions all styled. Look at the colour match, the blend. I thought my hair would be really hard to colour match just because I've got my own natural colour in here and then a load of different tones of highlights. So I've got some ones that are quite icy and blonde, I've got just regular blonde highlights, and then some that are like a little on the deeper side as well. But honestly, this shade was absolutely perfect for me. Like I said before, they do different shades. They've also got tapes, they've got these in different styles, different lengths. If you're on the hunt for quality hair extensions, good quality, please go and check out these guys. I think I've got a discount code, so if I do, I'm going to leave it on the screen for you as well as down below in the description box. I'm also going to leave you guys a link to their website as well, so make sure you go and check it out. And let me know in the comments down below what you think to these hair extensions so far. Let me know if you like them, let me know if you'd style them differently. That is everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure you smash the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below for more, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!